I'll try a song, a local song to Galway. I'm here in Galway. This is a local song. It's called The Road Between Hetford and Carlisle. This is how they used to go courting years ago. I cycled round Ireland a few years ago, and I spent a few days in the County Mayo. Its beautiful scenery was still on my mind as I headed for Galway and left it behind. I was feeling light-hearted when passing through Cong, and before I reached Hetford I was singing a song. But what lay before me was not in my plan. On the road between Hetford and Carlisle, I came round a slight bend just as fast as the wind, for a breeze from Loch Corrib was blowing behind. There I saw a young lady, a local bo peep. She was driving a large flock of mountainy sheep.
How are you? Comes the thought to?
Good.
Good. Cén tá atá tú ag canna?
Fairmail.
Evermail.
Ver meo Aintach. Off you go when you're ready.
Vermail, Robano. Vermail, Robani. Vermail, Ro. Smith of Knox to me. Some me a flock is for. Cook me courties me luncheon. No Goranic made on night. Mara rev go gan
Sífra agus ficar agus mami. Cos atá sibh?
Tell me go ma.
An bhfuil sibh a canna le céile nó a bhfuair le céile ó Aintach.
Tell me Connor do man with.
Dúlaman ó Lanaraig. Lanaraig.
That sounds like her.
Yeah, I'm going to try a Connemara boat song. It's about a boatman who is singing about his love, who he'd like to marry. And as usual, there are all sorts of obstacles to overcome. It's called Sauni Vrinjala. Some of you have heard it before. Is master bar war me gwal godner Gaeilge ndal yokin yots ni hoking an arige ora ni Vrinjala a chaisles story elvis imlam. Is farma mad me tau par umbre var sloster is lai o gajon nummer ora ni Vrinjala a chaisles story elvis imlam.
Right, Niamh is going to sing a song about a fella took a lady out one night, on a date, I'm not sure if he was in love afterwards, but anyway.
I took a lady out west one night. She had a very large appetite. She asked me to take her out to dance. So I counted out my money and it 4 and 9. 4 and 9 I still have yet. 4 and 9 I'll never forget. Don't ever take a lady out to dine when you have in your pocket only 4 and 9. First thing she ordered was the oxtail soup. Then strudels to loop the loop. Oysters too, she said, are fine, but I can't me muscles on me 4 and 9. Next thing she ordered was the fillet of place. Then passed the chicken across the face. As I watched it go down her spine, I said, Lord have mercy on me 4 and 9.
If you were the restless sea, I the steadfast stone, you the waving kelp above, I the bleaching bones, your little waves to lap my feet, surround, submerge, at last complete, in that ecstatic moment meet. Oh, you and I, truly one.
Mr. Back. Hello. I'm going to sing a song called My Lovely Molly, and I haven't sung it in ages, so fingers crossed. Okay. I once was a ploughboy, but a soldier I'm now. I courted lovely Molly as I followed the plough. I courted lovely Molly from the age of 16. But now I must leave her for to save James the King.
In came the boss and he gave a stare. He placed his foot, but I won't say where. Out through the window I went flying, dancing on me payment with me 4 and 9. 4 and 9 I still have yet. 4 and 9 I'll never forget. Don't ever take a lady out to dine if you have in your pocket only 4 and 9. 4 and 9 take 4 and 9 push another dollar up. 4 and 9 take a tip from me. Don't ever take a lady out to dine if you have in your pocket only 4 and 9.
Woo! Good man. Well done. How old are you, Will? How old are you, Will?
7.
7. Wow. You're not taking any ladies out to dine at the moment now, are you?
I hope not.
No.
I hope not.
You won't get much for 4 and 9.
You surely would. Good man, Will. That was gorgeous. Thank you so much. Caoimhe, you're going to sing a song for us, are you?
Yes, I'm going to sing a song called Leaving Galway, wrote by Vera, and it's about immigration to Australia. In the morning, I leave here my own native home to sail to Australia, a strange land to roam. My future depends on this move I now make, but my own
I'm going to try a John Spillane song called Liam McGraw. It's probably a love song, I suppose, really. He's looking for his love somewhere in Ireland, and he's searching the roads and the fields and gardens and all sorts of things. We don't know whether it's a happy or a sad ending, and there's a lovely chorus to it. The sea ebbs and flows, ebbs and flows. So I'll give it a go anyway. It's called Liam McGraw. Liam McGraw, Éire ógan éireann, Gurt an taille lena chuig hir snava. Liam McGraw, Éire ógan éireann, ag tnú le teacht le chéile. Tá óige lán ag tiú sing tro. Tá óige lán ag tiú sing tro.
Yeah, thanks Rachel, and thanks everybody. The great songs.
Yeah.
It's wonderful to hear all these great young singers.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's great.
This is a song that I wrote some years ago. It's a love song. It's kind of suitable for Valentine's Day, and it's called Yours I. Some of you will have heard it before. For those who haven't, Yours I in the Scots language means yours always or yours forever. While the sun will rise in the eastern skies, and while 4 will be twice times 2, while the tides will fall and the tides will rise, it's then you will find I am true, my dear. Oh, it's then you will find I am true. For I am yours, my dear, and so I remain yours, I am yours, my dear, and will ever remain yours,
Ring off na noonie call back off me no na noonie call. A call back off me no na noonie call back off. It's a vision yana is so there. So wanna leave. Oh, look at there. Oh, make us if we wap a country. Oh, make us if we wap a country. Oh, make us if we wap a country. Or stand for the time of his roller coaster. So wanna live. Oh, look at there.
Anna, excellent. Brilliant. Well done.
Yeah.
Right. And will Eva. Oh. Eva. Hi.
Bhálam chuna buna le Harca.
Oh.
Ag fáil bhí se an scóil bref.
Oh yeah.
So dúirt an múntar léir seo álan agus divisí léir agus dúirt léir.
His cushion tina shavaya queer dimid o dilla no bali the makta her dunker le bali asta the vagavi glide bo na heart gavo bo she undone higher gavo bo na heart gavo min yarid me ad fighty. Farland Noshkinning of a queer a chocolate door or modern
She banner var she under current she jacketing that cool and bow bow nalar cabo bow she untan fire cabo bow nalar cabo jimin yarid he fed It said that he swam over to the island that she was buried on, and he lay on the grave for 3 nights. And then her ghost appeared on the 3rd night and laid a hand on his cheek, and he left out. Okay. Fierce go bork of no agus brian of mo all the mar you cry mar round of marian is mario
As you know, all Irish songs are either about immigration or love and death. And I'm not going to be any different. I'm going to try and sing She Moved for the Fair.
Lovely, lovely, mate.
It's a love song that ends in tragedy. My young love said to me, my mother won't mind. And my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. Then she stepped away from me and she moved, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day.
It's when he saw the sheeping so truly, he felt a pity that she might be lost. I am your true and your single sailor, the many's the time o'er the ocean crossed. If you're my true and my single sailor, your looks and features have changed to me. If it's 7 years on the wide, wide ocean, makes alternations between you and me. He put his hand down into his pocket, his lily white fingers being thin and small, drew out the ring that he broke between them. But when she saw it, then she did fall.
Oh, so that to see the name of the ship was a belly of tea. The one blew up her turban, purple, my belly was born. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when children stumble, take our lead and go. It has been 2 weeks from shore and down under our wee airboard. The captain called all hands on shore, we'll take that whale and tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring our sugar and tea and rum. One day when sun is done, we'll take our lead and go. There. Short and sweet.
Brilliant, Jade.
Well done.
Brilliant, brilliant. Well done. Well
Very
done.
good.
Now it's Grandad's turn, is it?
Yep, yeah.
You're not letting him away with that, are you?
So I can get away with nothing. This is what I would refer to as a universal song. It's neither Irish nor nothing. And the song speaks for itself. My soul has been torn from me, and I am bleeding. My heart, it has been rent, and I am crying. All the beauty round me fades, and I am screaming. I am the last of the great wolves, and I am dying.
How are you?
Hello there, how are you?
We're well, Kunsa too.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
You got the snow, Katrina. We didn't. We're first jealous.
Yeah, we got a bit of the snow now, all right. It was lovely, I have to say. I got to build a little snowman. It wasn't too big, but the office and down them. You're all just amazing. I didn't have my video on, but myself and my mom were here listening to you, and it's just beautiful, and it's just amazing to hear singers, to hear, you know, it's just so congratulations to you all. It's just beautiful. Gramina Mahagi. Which not my
yeah, we can.
Yeah. Okay, so Casma Oran Gaeilge, a love song in Irish, and it's called Brídeog ní Bháile. And like a lot of songs I think around here that we sing, a lot of the songs are from Mayo. So this is a love song, and your man was madly in love with her, but unfortunately she married another man. So I think you've all you've heard this song before. So Oran Jasgra, so like this. Brídeog ní bháile, stadag mach rí cráte, schuid do bhar in neach a bháis, Richard Lár mach rí, tá me cíte fearing rá, let the aid and cúnáileach. Is gur dogtú barbaracht, here are yamas here.
For bravery's no virtue when some heathen is trying to hurt you, and all noble thoughts are true when he wears his curling knife. For there's many a thing worth lying for, occasionally worth crying for, but there's sweet bugger all worth dying for. So I stick to the single line.
Yep. Brilliant. Brilliant. Great to see the CDs didn't land on you tonight.
I moved them upstairs just in case.
I was wondering. Good man.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Dervla, how are you?
Hello. How are you?
We're all good, and you?
Good. Lovely night.
Lovely song. To see everybody.
Really enjoyable.
So I'm going to sing a newish song, I suppose it is, by a man that Katrina probably knows, Thomas Jimmy McOwen from Carrow. So he wrote the words. It's called Smuinte. And a man called Richard Mackay, who's an American but has lived around Galway and in Connemara for decades, I'd say maybe 30 years at this stage. But he wrote the tune to it. So it's a bit like, I think it was Joe who said, you don't know at the end of the song, is it happy or sad? This is a bit like that. There is a bit of a hint. He talks about, you know, that loneliness can follow love, but he doesn't really say that that's what happens in this story. But he talks about thinking about his beloved, and he does say in the chorus, I'm sad that time has gone and, you know, that you're not around at the moment anyway. So maybe it's lockdown, you know, or I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so it's not clear. Anyway, so it's called Smuinte. Okay. Is muinte stor a mai tulam is an sauradish fuivla nor a hagan an droth on spade guns smooch is na blana is cura fast.
Hi, Colm. Cos that too?
Tú hain,
Oh, go on.
Búir tú breakfast leabhas tócha. Well, for Misha, right now. What will I sing? I think Maureen Jabara is one of our finest love songs. Just you heave phone agus filiach cap gulcher out. Warin is a warning. Salo bin an grave nyal. Is given lam maar the hule bar droogt aan klaas. Fagal mano magnois nagaisha the Chulainn near Yulthis Kirkbo Chlam Henchin.
I'm going home to Marlofar to see the old folks there, to see my kind relations and those for whom I care. We'll sing, we'll dance and play a tune and talk of days of yore. So happy to be back again on Ireland's lovely shore. Jeanette.
Gorgeous, Vera. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. We could hear you clear and well. It was brilliant. Thank you, Vera. Great to hear. Beautiful, beautiful song. Beautiful song. So we're coming near the end. What we're going to do is we're going to sing a couple of songs here, and then we're going to ask Frank Greeley to finish the night. I think we've got around to everybody. I know there's a few listeners that are listening, and it's great to have you too. So Frank, you will finish the night. We'll come to you now in a few minutes. Dervla, you mentioned Tomás Jimmy McGowan. We were looking at to add a new song to our collection for Chulainn to sing, and I'm going to join in on the Curfa, and it was on Colleen Alling that we had heard the recording of him singing it, so from Chulainn. So yeah, Cullainn's going to sing that, and I'll join in on the chorus with him.
The Halling.
Up scratchy.
Colleen Alling, a dog may rocky. She's dead, she's all and a blast na rose. Bunny air love lum is cleach a Tommy. an gra a Conadíomh Darbanam Eleanor Naroon. Ma gra hu gana céad écant Eleanor Naroon is a bhíon sex muoinú Dra mi mer mahúf Magradan tilhu is ma céad shark Stu is de shan upon Éireann Savin million jazok Stu is de shan a mil jabok Chun sa warid sa biobai Gianamart Maris jas Amhránaíocht Nagaun lat Eleanor Naroon.
So we're going to go to Frank Greeley to finish us off. And I just want to say a big thank you to everybody and wish you all a very happy St. Valentine's Day. It was lovely to hear all the young singers and for us all to hear from each other and stay connected. It's been gorgeous. And so I'm going to leave it in Frank's capable hands to sing us out.
Thanks, Rachel.
Thanks, Rachel. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no, thank you all for joining us. It's been great. It's been really lovely. How are you, Frank? Are you well?
Great, yeah. And sorry I wasn't a bit earlier, but as you know, I was at another one as well. But it's great to hear the songs I heard there. They're absolutely terrific, you know. And
singing all around. So
your family, I just sent you a note there. You're as clear and as sweet as a mountain from scream. It's beautiful. I learned this one from the singing of the late Jimmy Kelly. He was Luke's brother, and he often sang this one, and I took a liking to it. So we'll finish it off with this one anyway. Called The Call and the Answer. Oh, yes. You called and I ran, wild as the wind that blows across the moor. All we need is each other. Like the eagle we will soar. You are the call, I am the answer. You are the wish and I am the way. You the music, I the dancer. You are the night and I am the day. You are the night and I am the day.
Gorgeous, Frank.
Lovely, Frank. Thanks, everyone.
I don't know whether you could see it, Frank, on the screen, but everybody was just swaying to your song and looking at Mammy holding her two babies there. It's lovely to see you all. If you all want to unmute yourselves and say goodbye and good night and Bannockty.
Annie, yeah.
Yeah.
Fair play.
Lovely to see everyone.
You are. Slán.
Bye. Slán.
Slán.
Good everybody.
Slán.
We're all brilliant. All right.
Bye bye.
All right.
Slán.